Welcome to Educare Biology. Thank you for watching my video. I will discuss you about the tissue, that is plant tissue. There are different types of tissues, but I am discussing about the plant tissue. Plant tissue. Not all the plant tissues, but I will discuss about meristematic tissue. First, introduction. I will discuss about the introduction of the tissue. You can see the board. First, tissue. The term tissue coined by the scientist Wbbse, 1792. Next, tissue. The subject of biology who discuss about the tissue is called histology. The term histology means histos means tissue, logos means star. The science, the branch of science of biology who is discussed about the tissue is called histology. That is the Kala Vigyan. Next, father of histology may be called the scientist Wbbse, who is called father of histology. Next, founder of histology. Who is the founder of histology? Founder of histology is Marcello Malpighi. Marcello Malpighi is the founder of histology. Next, who coined the term histology? Beginning Meyer coined the term histology. Beginning Meyer coined the term histology. Next, this is the introduction of the tissue. Now, I will discuss about the tissue. What is tissue? But what is the definition of tissue? Tissue may be called as the group of cells which are the same origination, but which originate from the same source, and the cells which constitute the tissue are the same or different types, but all these cells collectively do the particular task, but the particular work. They may be the different types of cells, but they perform the same function, a particular function. All these cells originate from the same source, number one. Number two, all these cells may be same or different. Number three, they may be same or different, but collectively they form a particular function. This group of cells are called the tissue. Yes, what is tissue? Next, importance of tissue. অর্থাৎ টিস্যু গুরুত্ব কি বা নেসেসিটি অফ টিস্যু। ফার্স্ট, division of labor. The tissue forms, but the tissue which is formed from different types of cells. The cells of the body, that is the plant or animal. Division of labor undergoes and perform the different types of function. So, tissues which is formed in plants or animals, the division of labor is distributed equally in all the cells, not individual cell, but the collective cell. That is, one type of tissue perform one function, the another type of tissue perform another function. These different types of labor are separated by the tissue. So, division of labor performed by the tissue. This is the first function of tissue. That is the second function, efficiency. The efficiency of cells increases by the tissue. When only one function is performed by all the cells, this is very hard. But when the different types of function are distributed by the different types of cells, that is a group of cells, that is tissue, the efficiency of the cell becomes larger and larger. Number 3, organization. Tissues organize a body, that is the plant body or animal body, in different types. That is the first, tissue maybe differentiate the body into organ. Organs differentiate the body into system. These all the systems of a body, or all the systems of a body, that is the আমরা বলতে পারি কি a complete body, that is the human body or the plant body. So tissue organizes the body into a particular organ organized to form system. All the systems of the body make a complete body. This is called organization. Workload. What is the workload? যাকে বলা হয় কাজের ভার বাংলায়। Workload is distributed by the tissue. Only on tissue, not only on tissue, but all the tissue of the body, they can perform the different types of labor. So, different types of function are separated by the tissue. So, all the work of a body constitute a different or organized form. This may be called as the workload. Survival. Tissues may survive. All the tissues are not survival, but some tissues are survival. So, this tissue can perpetuate the another generation by the form may be called as the reproduction. So, there is the vegetative reproduction. The tissue is transferred to another organism, and by this process, vegetative reproduction can be done. These are the importance of tissue. Next, different types of plant tissue. This is a chart of different types of plant tissue. You may see meristematic tissue, permanent. The tissues which can divide it up to the end of their life, they are the meristematic tissue. But the tissues which perform function under a certain period, then stop their function, they may be called, they cannot divide up to the end of life. After some time, they cannot divide it. This tissue is called permanent. Next, meristematic tissue. Different types of meristematic tissue. Here, I will discuss the meristematic tissue about the sites of meristematic tissue. That is apical meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue which is situated at the apex of the stem, leaf and root. Next, lateral meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue which is situated the circumference of the stem. পরিধি বরাবর. This is called lateral tissue. Next, intercalary. These meristematic tissue are situated in between the permanent tissue. All around the permanent tissue, within the permanent tissue, this tissue is situated. This is called intercalary meristematic. Next, permanent tissue which stop the division after a certain period. These are called permanent tissue. A permanent tissue is divided into simple permanent tissue, complex permanent tissue. The permanent tissue, which is constituted by the same type of cells, only one type of cell, is called simple permanent tissue. The permanent tissue, which is formed by the different types of cells, these are called the complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue may be divided again parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Next, the complex permanent tissue is divided into xylem and phloem. Xylem may be called as the water conducting tissue. Phloem may be called as the food conducting tissue. Xylem is formed by the tracheids, trachea, xylem parenchyma and xylem sclerenchyma, but xylem fiber. Next, phloem tissue is formed by the seed tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fiber, but phloem sclerenchyma. These are the classification of plant tissue. Next, I will discuss about the meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue, যাকে বলা হয় ভাজক পাতা। What is meristematic tissue? Definition: the tissue which divides under the end of the life of the plant. সারা জীবন বিভাজিত। The tissue which divides all the life of the plant. These are called, they are able to perform division all the time. সব সময় যার বিভাজন ক্ষমতা আছে, তারা হচ্ছে মেরিস্টেমেটিক টিস্যু। নেক্সট, ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক ফিচার্স, চারিত্রিক বৈশিষ্ট্য মেরিস্টেমেটিক টিস্যু। ফার্স্ট, 1 নম্বর, শেপ। টাইপস মেরিস্টেমেটিক টিস্যু, আমি এখানে চিত্র আঁকছি। দিস ইজ দ্য figure of meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue. The shape of meristematic, types of meristematic. All the cells of the meristematic tissue are the same. Meristematic tissue is composed of same type of cells. All the cells are same. Next, shape. The shape of the cells are spherical, oval, round, polygonal, rectangular, etc. Next, compact. The cells of the meristematic tissue are compactly arranged. There are no intercellular space between the two cells. There are no intercellular spaces between the two cells. Next, cellular. The cellular of meristematic tissue are thin cellulose. The cell wall is composed of cellulose, thin wall cellulose. Next, nucleus. In the center of the cell, there is one nucleus in the center of the cell. Next, cytoplasm, compact cytoplasm around the nucleus. Compact cytoplasm around the nucleus. Next, vacuoles. There are no vacuoles or some little but small amount of vacuoles within the cytoplasm. Vacuoles. This is called cell wall, nucleus, cytoplasm. Next, function. functions of meristematic cells. First function, progenitors. From the meristematic cell, other permanent tissues are originated from the meristematic tissue. All other tissues of the plant are originated. So, meristematic cell can be said as the progenitor cell of all the tissues. Number one. Next, growth. The stem, root or leaf growth in length or breadth by the meristematic tissue, because they can divide it all along the life of the plant. So, the plants are growth in length, in breadth, all around their shape. Next, growth, new organs. From the meristematic cells, all other new organs of the plant are originated. That is, from the meristematic tissue, permanent tissue are originated, and this permanent tissue constitute the various organs of the plant, that is leaf, stem and all other organs. Next, lodging. What is lodging? Bhar bohon jata. This meristematic tissue upright the stem, leaf and other organs, because the osmotic pressure of the meristematic tissue can upright all the organs. This may be called as the lodging. Next, occurrence of the meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue occurs in plant growth. I am drawing a figure about this. This apical portion, this is called apical meristem. Apical meristem. It can be found in stem apex, root apex, shoot apex and leaf apex. This is called apical meristem. মূল কাণ্ড পাতার অন্তরা। Next, this is called internode, leaf base. The internode and leaf base, that is situated by, it is composed of intercalary meristem. This is intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem. Clear? This is permanent tissue. This is permanent. Within the permanent tissue, there is situated intercalary meristem. Next, the meristem which is situated in circumference, perineum, around the stem, is called the lateral meristem. Lateral meristem. This is the occurrence of meristem. It occurs in root tip, it occurs in shoot tip, it occurs in leaf tip. Next, it may be occurred in internode, leaf base. Next, it may be occurred within the circumference of the stem. This is the occurrence of meristem. This is all about your meristematic tissue. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks. all of you. No more today. More when we meet.